So, yeah, here. So, my goal at this point is to, support all this. Interestingly, though, is this going to be a patch type of PKG? I'm not actually sure how you tell patches apart from not patches. But, yeah. Okay. So, I've written, a little bit of code. Basically, the ISO PKG is complicated. You need a different promote function for it. So I'll look into that later. For the moment, it's kind of just here. But all the others. Also, there's like 2 PSMs. Kind of curious as to what that's about. And then I've gotten here, so package content type and then promote location is determined this way. And then we just move it to the promote location, promote it, and it should already support like much more formats now, just as it's like one change. Alright. FTP 192.168 88.3. So, got a couple things in here. We got ourselves a, update package. We have some theories about PlayStation Mobile stuff. Hey, oh no, bite. Where are we? So I basically need one of each of these package types. Look on the PKGH. So I got all the package types in here. I don't know if I entered them all correctly, but they should all be here. The issue is, I don't think I have all of these PKG types. Like, I'm going to need to grab something from all of these. I don't know what would even be under Go. Is there like PSP Go specific software? Like, is there a PSP Go specific software? I don't know. But I can do minis, PSX, and PSP pretty easily. I don't know how patches work though. I'm just copying some files over and then I'll try running it. It's just gonna like copying faster. It's so slow copying. It's going alright, honestly. I'm just copying files. Okay, that's done. So next I wanna just build this. What do you mean unused variable? I'm using it here. Oh, I do it first here. Okay, I need to not do it though. Okay. Okay, let me select first ESM runtime update. Content type 15. That's just be the app. Interestingly, that actually installed. Yeah, well, apparently it's a package type called PSP Go. It's going to PS3 Wiki. Okay, so actually installed. Surprisingly, that wasn't installing before. Let me delete my PSN runtime package. Okay, so I delete my PSN runtime package and then run real package installer. It's kind of loud. Okay, so I should be able to install PSN runtime normally. No, so it detects new location, the location it should promote from. Package was installed. I'm gonna try and install the update because it worked last time. I'm kind of confused because last I checked, updates were not working. Okay, updates work now. I didn't change anything there, but they work now apparently. Okay, so the other thing is PlayStation Mobile. Okay, so it did detect that it should be a new UXO temp game. Versus the package content type was 18, which is PSM. I have a feeling I know what PSM2 might be. I have a feeling this package will be PSM2. This is a PSM Unity package. I have a feeling if it's a different package type for PSM and PSM Unity. These aren't installing because I don't have licenses with them, and they need a license. I haven't gotten to that yet. Maybe I'll get to that in this video, in this stream. I'll get to like being able to select the license to use with it. Yes, I knew it. 1D is PSM. 1 is PSM Unity. Aha. Yeah, I was confused by the 2. Alright, let me just make sure I got that right. So, MPPA, 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 00278. Just check, is a Unity game, right? Um, not MPN, not MPMPA. Yeah, okay, it's a Unity game. Okay, so I know what this is then. 1D is not PSM2, it's PSM Unity. I'm not logged in. Hang on, do I have an account on this? Do I have an account on the PS3 dev wiki? I don't think I do. Okay, where was the page I was just on for packages? PKG. PKG files. Okay. Contents type. PSM. Yeah, let me do it. And then this is PSM for Unity. One note, contains runtime / folder. And this is also, UXO PSM. Anything else? That's wrong. Shouldn't be PS. It shouldn't be UXO Live Village. It should be UXO. Should be App Meta. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked in editing the content type. Verify second PSM type. Okay, I changed it. Why didn't it change? I changed it. Why didn't it do anything? Whatever. So, so now you make it so you can specify a width, which should fix like a large amount of this. Honestly, I want to do package extract, and then have a separate thing for the package install. That way I can like check in between. Um, um, out folder. I'm actually gonna have this as like a const show. can't define this somewhere that like this is the location it extracts to. Let's do percentage %s and then function, so we don't have to update it. Say what the actual fault file is. Does anyone look at PSP? I don't know. Package content type, promote location. Basically, I want to say that promote is separate. Package. There's also SN printf. Shall like work in. Should also be a const chow, not a just chow. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Track arrow of that. Alright, and then can be the expand the location. Alright, and then we can just not bother anything else. Like it's that simple, we can just call that. And then this is the complex function. This is one where things become hard. Okay, so this is simple enough. So now I can just be like unres print style promote sce promote. Okay. If that fails, then we just delete everything. Package. Expand package. Check. Expand location. Launch chow .0. The deal is, I can now check between each one if it was able to pull a riff out of it, and if it wasn't, then we can ask you for a riff. That's kind of the idea. Um, I guess it should probably be backwards in this case. Like expand the location is like more prominent, right? Okay, and then main.c, which actually calls this, should call expand. Shall pkg expand the location of max path equals uxo temp fake pkg expand, right? That's what it was. Const chow point oh. Um okay, and we just want to wait for the directories. And after everything we want to delete tree pkg expands the location. Right. And delete the tree at the end, so that way, like, the key's up after itself, basically. Yeah. That's not here. Otherwise, right, then we'll check, I guess like this is, I think it's pretty return in here, let me know. We actually want this to always run, we always want this just once it's done. But we want, let's say like, if we're gonna promote more, okay, I'll put this inside an else then. Okay, so else if file exists, if file doesn't exist, like, Pikachu expands location, sys/package/work.bin, right? I want to check if there's a work bin, which means having this will work, right? Because both of these files, like, both of these are constants, so this should work. Like, uxo temp fake package expand /se temp package work bin. Like, I think that will work. So that file does not exist. Then, we want to go to like select riff instead. mptom I guess you can just make this handle select. Makes it even more generic than already is. Select file, right? And now const shall extension const shall folder const shall extension handle select mptom package. Now select file. It would be pkg install location .pkg. Like, it would be like that, right? And now we change this to extension. We change this to folder. And then we change this to %s, and then we also add extension in, so we can specify that. So extension folder. So do confirm message. Riff requires the package selected requires a license, requires a rights information file .riff. These specify one to use with to proceed with installation. That should be like good enough. And then handle select file It should still be PKG install location, but now it's looking for list files, and next step can be void handle install with shall with shall well with. And then we can simply just copy file with there, right? And like that's it. um so it turns out I'm gonna delete the folder anyway. Okay, and then we want to do promotes, right? So it was like a menu.c, there's like a promote file. Do package install, yes, that. PKG expand location. Handle install with. Okay, package that. Failed to extract. Failed to expand. I know like they probably meant to write extract, but I'm just like saying expand because that's what package installer itself, like full package installer calls it. It says expand package, so I'm calling it expand package. Failed to promote. Wrong license? Question mark. Okay, it should ask us now if the package needs a lift. Okay, it doesn't like me because it's a const shell, I think. I think if I just use a define instead, then I think this will actually work. Why doesn't this work? PKG work bin location. Take PKG expand sys package work bin. Like it's dumb even have to do this. Like it should just concat them, right? Like that's how this works normally. Like you can put this and then something else after it, and like normally that would concat, but I guess not. Do package extract found the end of do package extract. Hang on, hours is hours. Okay, the build, cp build, make dot dot end to end make. Okay, so implicit declaration of function handle select file. Oh, right, right, I have to move it above everything else because I use it in here, yeah. Do select file by its const. 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 Too few arguments to format. Oh. Right, okay, it makes sense. It's something fucking C make and make. It's just make. See issue now. get files and folder disregards. But how far deep does this go? I just want to fix stupid cons where it should be. Okay, yeah, this should also be const. And so should this. Files and folder const. Read first file name should also be const. Menu, draw, select file, folder. Get files in folder. Is this better? Ugh. Draw, select file. Draw, select file. I think it also needs to be const. Okay, here we go. No warnings. Yay! Okay. Let's see if it asks us for a riff now. Okay, real package install. Go. Okay, choose something that doesn't have a riff, like MPNA00104, whatever. The package contains requires device information file. Please select one to keep installation. Then I get the error that there was no package found. There was no riffs found because I didn't copy a riff over. Also, this does not appear on the same line, so that's cool. I'm gonna have to make a proper screen for that, but for now this will do. Let me go copy a riff for this game. Why did it just delete the package? Wait, what? The package file just disappeared off my console. What? Alright, fine, let's try this then. Let's try this riff. Packages. It looks like package. Let's drop this riff on here. So one of the options seems to be missing from the yes, which is kind of interesting. Okay, fake that riff. um, Somehow I saw the package type is 0, and then it just crashed. The hell? What is like up with that? Somehow the package file was getting like removed. Yeah, somehow the package is like getting removed from the console after I install it. Like I can't open it again. It failed to install. Handle package install package. Oh, oh, I did that wrong. Okay, that's why it was breaking. I tried to open the folder. Yeah, I just had the arguments backwards. Okay, well, didn't copy. I believe if I force power off instead of closing the app, then it won't actually delete the files yet. I can have a look at what went wrong though. Will it ever turn on again? Um, let's look at what this error code means. I need to get rid of it in my own server. Half? The hell does that mean? An error in half is unusual. So pro tip, if you're making homebrew, don't actually lock yourself out of the home button while you're testing it. So you can easily debug when stuff like creating files and whatever in certain ways, how it actually looks, if it looks right. Before it actually does anything, I can open up Beta Shell now and have a look. What folder did it choose? UXO temp game. Okay, but UXO temp game is empty. Yeah, UXO temp game is completely empty. Okay, let me try, it might be because it's a PSM Unity package. I never actually looked at how those work. You have a different game then. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to development tools. I'm gonna grab a package that actually does require a license, like a Vita package. I'm gonna see if that works. The PSM dev original. And I need the riff for that too, which I'll get from MPS because I don't think it's on actually I need to get it from MPS. I can just get it straight from my Vita. It's installed, right? So the license app PCSI 0007. Copy. Okay. Package. Copy. I could honestly just scan a folder for that has a bunch of lists in it until it finds some of the right package, like the same content ID, and then uses that with like. I believe it's 124 is what I want. I was not expecting this to say 10B. I wasn't expecting the word MB to be in here. I was just writing 10 by 8. But I guess I wrote TNB8. It's kind of funny. Okay. Now there's a whole bunch of other stuff in here. Let me start with PSM dev. Package was installed. So I think I already had it. Yeah, I did already have it. Hang on, let me delete it first. And now let's try it. PSM dev. Select the riff. Yeah, that actually works. So that's kind of cool. I can install stuff that requires the riff, which you can't with normal package install. But can I install the non-PSM Unity PS mobile game? Yeah. I'm annoyed by that. Like, why can't I? I'm gonna go download 10x8 from PKGJ. And like to see if I'm even doing this right. Where's PKGJ? There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna download it and I'm gonna extract the files that were in BGDL, basically. 10x8's already installed VS3 download. And while I wait for that, I'm gonna make a proper menu for this. 'Okay. New package riff. So um. So I'm gonna add in here void draw package with install selected install window const shell package right, and then Okay, I'm gonna have int content type. As it's PSP, I want to have the option to just generate a list like on the top. Okay. Also, while I was writing this, it finished downloading. So before I even before it even begins to install, head over to BGDL. I'm gonna copy this out and put this in PSV packages. Basically. Okay. Content type. Honestly, I think that's it. Shall with folder. Alright, so start draw backgrounds, end draw, return opt. Okay, so draw title, write information, file required. Draw text center. This is the kind of thing I want. I want to do like something like this. Okay, the package file selected requires a rights information file with to be installed. You can select one to use, but it must match it must be a valid license file. Requires a license or rights information file. You can select one to use. You can manually select one to use, but it must be a valid license file. But if it is incorrect, will fail to install. Package will fail to install. And now I want to have in here like a check if content type is PSP. If using a no MP DRM, no PSM DRM, or no PSM DRM license, please ensure either the respective plugins are installed. No NP DRM, no PSM DRM, or no PSP EMU And then I'm gonna have a check for like what's in promoting. I'll check all of these and only display that best. Okay, so if content type equals content type equals oral content type equals oral content type equals content type equals oral content type equals they can create a fake PSP license, but you must have no PSP ODM installed for it to work. I have like PSP content, PSP content, right, so it's PSP content, let me do that. If PSP content, right? Then we go, current license directory is with folder. Current directory for licenses is that. Okay. And now we can add opt one, select a list file, add opt one, change with directory, and then add opt PSP content, generate fake guy, generate no PSP emoji. Okay, so information file required. Select a .lif file, change .lif directory, enum with options, like select with options, select with file, select with directory, generate this, yeah, with. Okay. Draw package with, do package with. You do the package with, no. Int, do package with. Const shall package. Const shall, not const shall with folder. Process menu, draw package with folder. But we also need to know the content type, which we can do by calling get content type on it. Alright, content type. Okay. Select a bytes information file, change with directory. Okay. Generated. Cool. Okay. Now void handle select with package. Okay, static shall kg is with location, max path UXO with byte. Direct with directory. I'll handle this later. Okay. Right. Information file directory. Alright, then we can return out. Package. Alright, this would be a bit more complicated. I'll have like an actual function to check if you need it with. Because it occurred to me that this would be the case on updates as well, but updates definitely do not need a whiff. Also be a case on the Ivaria packages, and those also don't need a whiff. So I'll add like more in-depth logic to check this at some point. Content type. Right, yeah, I did mean content type. Return selected. Okay, copy. Okay. Okay, immediately started installing a game on PSM. Just fine. It was already installed. Okay, install package file. So PSM dev. Okay, that's I'm gonna move this down a bit more. Okay, so I can change the directory. So let me do that. Let me change it to package so I can actually access it. Wait, I'm confused. Why is it trying to promote now? Oh, and why? Hang on. Whole thing needs to be out within a while loop. Okay. Um. I also want case OP cancelled. Return. It equals OP cancelled, then go to error. Okay, so now let's extract LPS's mobile package again. So we can compare what exactly is different. UXO temp. Check. Okay, so we have Oreo. I grabbed this folder. Now I'm gonna grab user I'm gonna grab UXO temp where was it? Where was temp? Temp game. So not temp game, not yet. That's when you promote. Fake package expand. So if we have a look at this one, this is basically the files that we get. We get sys package all of this, right? And this is just our no PSM DOM with. And for some reason this one installs, but the other one doesn't. And I already have a feeling it might be one of these files. One of these. Kinda hoping it's not, but I have a feeling. I have a sneaking suspicion that these might be the culprit. I don't have a PS5, and if I did, I wouldn't be giving it to some random person online. Or with copies, I'm gonna go write the proper routine for checking if there's a package installed. So, yeah. If there's a with required, so, I'm gonna put, I think it's gonna be in with.h. With required. Const shall, app directory is with required. So int is with required. Memsets. So shall work in max path. Sn printf app directory. Sys package work.bin, right? And if it's required, then it'll be two things. First, the file won't exist. So if file exists, working as of work. So if file exists, work bin, right? So if the work.bin exists, then no, you don't need a list. It's already one, right? Else, otherwise you do, right? Now, it's more complicated than that. For instance, if the app's already installed, you don't need a list. But, like, that's the most basic form of it. I guess you can also check temp bin, right? If file exists temp bin and is debug license temp bin, then no license is required. So for now, that's all I got. But it will need to check if it's a patch somehow at some point, and also like if it's PSP, it's not technically required. Um, and install with const chow source with const chow app directory. Right, so now I can have this function to install with from honestly no, because it needs to have to be in the callback format, like for thing. So I'm honestly just gonna leave it this way because we do this properly though. What? Right. Const chow GKG expands location. Not file exists, it's file exists. Okay. Should be a bit nicer. Okay. Okay, so, let me just check. I can still install the dev package without asking for a license. Okay, it still asks me for a license, even though it still asks me for a license for a dev package, which is wrong. Is with required. Instead of not is with required, is with required. Okay. Okay, now it just promotes without asking anything. But if I select Unity Dev, actually Unity Dev is np2 m3, this will work. At least it should, but it's asking for a license anyway. Why is it asking for a license for Unity Dev? Like, the follow should exist. But I've done things in PKGC. It does, is it gets work bin by checking a temp bin, and if it is a debug license or is an npm3 license, then it copies it to work bin. So stl print stl temp bin -s work bin work bin temp bin work bin. Like, if the file exists, it should not be required. And the file exists. Does it? Unity Dev. I'll try again. I'll have a look at the I'll exit out and have a look at the expand package folders, but I'm pretty sure. APKG expands. SC says package. Template. No, it's not there. What the hell? Is it detecting it as a debug license? License left out version. Is that not right? npdrm .h. npdrm license version equals, it is equal to ff. Like, I'm looking at the bytes. Version is FF, and activate account ID is 0. Let's do yes, then let's actually do the size of the PSP one, which is Fiags. Okay, so is debug license reached? I'm just putting debug printing. At this point, I don't know what the fuck's wrong. Like, I don't know what to expect at this point, so I'm kind of just. Also, I noticed a bug in here. Biggest return -1. Like this return op cancel, and then this that's -1. Just because, yeah. Otherwise you can't Otherwise, if you push circle, it tries to promote the package. If you don't select the left. Get your face. Okay. Okay, Unity Dev. How is the license not found? Okay, is the yeast the right size? Which size matches known size? Print style. dash n. Okay, hopefully it'll work this time. I have no clue why this isn't working. Like, this is the correct values for these. Like, it is, the buff is version Z negative FFFF, and the our count ID is version 1. I don't fucking know. Version equals FF, FF. My mistake, I should have just checked this and equal to -1. Apparently. Okay, now it works. Now it actually sees it. I just have to check if it's equal to -1. Now if it's equal to x 0xFFF. Apparently no difference. Okay, cool. Okay, now that side tangent is done. Other thing I want to test is, programs that do require a riff. One, still ask me for one, and two, I can't just break it. Nope, it doesn't ask me for a riff either. How does that one have a riff? Is debug license reach? Wait, has a temp.bin even though it doesn't have a... Really? So I can't use that to determine if it's a debug license? Okay, I don't know how to check, I don't know how to know if it's a dev license or not then. That's kind of frustrating, actually. Okay, well, so now it works, but the issue is that, my trick I was using for temp.bin, like, if temp.bin is all zeros, then it's a dev license. Well, turns out retail video games also have a temp.bin that's all zeros. So that's not very helpful. Okay, I read on the PS3 wiki that you can use, what was it? I read on the PS3 wiki that you can use, like, but like, it's like a flag for it. Well, yeah. So PKG revision. Apparently, I can check this. If it's 80, then package is debug. What it means is 0 package debug is 80. It's not. So I guess let's add that into our PKG API as well. Type def enum PKG revision PKG finalize 80 PKG debug equals 0, right? I think. And int package revision can't shove PKG file. Alright, so this is what we want. This again, but package revision. And instead we want pkg state.pkg header revision. I think we actually just want to check this. Let's put the pkg state in here. Now when we call this, pass it and state. Equals, revision debug. And let's keep using connection. Package revision. Launch chow package. If file exists, having connection issues with OBS. Oh my gosh, it's like the third time. What's it doing? Okay. Is with required package, and then here I need include pkg.h. Then the main, is with required. Where is with required? Right, package. Oh god. Oh, I forgot to end it. Okay. Okay. So hopefully, only do that for debug packages now. Like, the more I code this, the more fucking hacky it's getting. Like, oh yeah, just like check the revision of the package and make sure it's this, and it has a zero license. Like, it has to have both. Because if it's just a zero license, it could be PSM dev. Okay, this should install without any questions. Yep. That installed, but PSM dev should ask for a license. Let's see. Yes, license information file. If I select one, if I select the right one, package installed. Sweet. So now the question becomes, if I install this update to PSM runtime, it's gonna probably ask one as well. Yeah, it does. Doesn't actually matter where I select the box anyway, but I don't know how if a things they update file or not. But the next question I have is why the hell didn't the PlayStation mobile game promote even with a license? Because it should. I think. I want to check something. I want to check. I'm worried it might be stat.bin or body.bin. So I will see by copying this file into BGDL and then deleting the original game, and then rebooting, but without stat.bin or anything. Yeah, it can go away. Progress Bar Simulator at the moment. What game is this again? MPNA 124. MPNA 10124. Was it? I don't know, because MPNA 124, yeah. What game is this? 00. Oh. Okay, it's 10 by 8. Okay, so here's the first thing I'll do. First thing I'll make a backup of this on the console, just because it's annoying copying it over 100 times. I'm just gonna pop this somewhere where it ideally won't be messed with, like UXO game. Okay. So now I'm gonna go VGRT content applications, content application, SCESys package. I'm gonna delete stat.bin and body.bin. The digestive head and tail and work. And I'm gonna guess that that's what the issue is. I'm also gonna delete 10 by 8 from my PS Vita, like the game, so it shows actually testing like real installs. Okay. Yeah, let's see if it will install if we reboot with those files missing. Because if it does, then I need to figure out how to create stat.bin and temp and body.bin. If it doesn't, if it doesn't work, I need to do that. But if it does work, then I'm doing something else wrong. Okay, it installed, so I'm doing something else wrong. Okay, good to know. I'll be right back, and then I'll go set up a IO Yago, and we'll find out what I'm doing wrong. Be right back. Okay. Back. Alright, so there's two ways you can go about this. The first one is, we can... Does it even use Promodo to do this? Doesn't look like it does use Promodo to do this. I mean, I'm probably gonna need an IO Yago. Can't just, like, fake promote to be success. It seems like it's calling promote. Which is okay. Yes, it's in here somewhere. I don't see it though. Okay. So I need an IO logger. So I need IO plus. I need the source code for IO plus, basically. What I remember. No, that's not what I want. Okay, let me just edit some code. I'm just make a really crappy one that yogs SCIO open. So, Python whitefin. I'm just gonna modify no AVLS. I don't want to mess up my Python whitefin stuff. Maybe I will look at Python whitefin actually. I don't think it has like actual Python whitefin in it anyway. Like I just call it that, but like yeah, that's a video. Yeah, okay, this is the thing I was doing for testing stuff earlier on here. Okay, so instead of doing this, I'm gonna hook SCIO open. EV beta headers. KSCIO open. Okay, it's bypass that hook. We just want to hook this one. We want to hook function exports. We want to hook this, which is KSCIO open. Doing mkdo async, that could actually help me out with some of my issues, so I was like yagging a bit. Anyway. Open this in another tab, and then open this back up. I think I want this one. Can you just quit yagging, please? Yep, I know. Can I? Okay, and then SCIO file MGL. The whole thing. KSCIO open patch. Okay, CIO open. SEUID. Okay, KCIO open %s, %x, %x, assuming file is not null anyway. Then we just type continue, I guess. File flags load. This is like kind of a really crappy Yago, but it should get the job done, I think. Right, and then yeah, that should be good for now. So cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot cd python whitefin cd build make. Okay. Let me delete this game again. Okay. Build. Python Python. Okay, I need to put this on my video. Yes. So that's done. So now, where's our tie? Let me make sure that's in here. Not in here. Let me put it in here. Python whitefin. Now that's KPOX. Okay, let me copy the BGDL folder back into BGDL. And then when I reboot, I should get like every file being created basically. Okay, let me reboot. Okay, oh, yep. Yeah, we got ourselves some freaking file reads though. That's for sure. Quite a few. Okay, so it's definitely working. It's what we want. So when I open this up. Okay. So it's temp promote. That's interesting. I actually don't see any of the files from the game like itself in here. Like, none of these are the game files. I kind of just didn't show the game files showing up in here. It's like a dumb vital promotion process. I think this is probably a promotion process itself. But, yeah, I don't see anything else. It's like it doesn't open anything for promote, which, I mean, maybe? I need how do you make a file logger that doesn't suck? Well, I know promote deletes everything if it fails. Let's see what it does in, actually, let's see what fake package installer does, when real package installer does when we do it this way. Okay, we can see it definitely creating every file as it tracks. Change package. Okay, it does open the app info from where it's being installed from, and it opens head.bin. So maybe we can see about those earlier. Okay, it just straight up promotes it in PAs. Like, yeah? Like, it just straight up expects it to be directly in, DGDL. I'm curious, what happens if we ask regular package installers to do it? We definitely see regular package installer doing stuff. And they straight up just write it to app info as well. Also, package installer was able to install it no problem. I'm a little curious if it's like maybe an issue with stat.bin and tail.bin. But they know, let me install earlier without those, so but like it reads this and then it just breaks. Like I don't know why. Okay, well SCI or open carry isn't correct. Um like always seems to just do it in place. Like oh yeah, just expand the package like right here. Like just straight up, right where you are, just put the package right there. Um, which suggests it doesn't really matter where it is. Is that the case for like any other type of fact? If I do like a different thing, like PSM dev, no, got one more, PSM Unity, right? It creates like a pseudo device for it. Um, I'm gonna look at SCIO rename because maybe it's like renaming the folder to like a different place, right? So I'm gonna try SCIO rename because the rest of this isn't helping me at all. Const chow new path. KSCIO rename, KSCIO rename. I mean, I don't fucking know at this point. Like, if the package is already there, then even package installer is able to grab it, but I can't. Okay, let's boot it up. Now I should see if we rename call, which normally I don't see anything, which makes sense, so we're not renaming much. But I'm gonna try and install a package now. Run specifying a package. PlayStation mobile game. Okay, it wants UXO temp promote PKG. I think. Yeah, because it's the result of the expands. Is that different? Is that different if I do like a different type of package? Just curious. I guess does it still do promote PKG, or is it a different folder? Yeah, it is. It wants your UXO temp promote. The word it want UXO temp promote PKG. Okay, I can do that. UXO temp promotes PKG. Create possible folders. SCIO MKDO. I guess I can just put in here, right? All of the folders that could be needed. UXO temp, slash promotes. Slash PKG. Who is also UXO PSP emu? PSP emu, what was it exactly? PSP emu temp game, right? PSP emu, temp slash game. So let's run PSP mode normally. PSP mode temp. I guess the game folder's not there. It doesn't need to be, I guess. As long as like the folder's inside the model, should be fine. So PSP mode temp promotes temp. Okay, let's give that a try. The real package installer. Okay, let's see if that works. Nope. Like, it went though, temp promote PKG, but then it didn't actually work. It gives me an error. What is this error? Path. What the hell does that mean? Like, huh? Okay, well, I'm gonna do something silly. I'm gonna check in packet log. Like, I'm gonna string compare file to the new path to this size of that. Right, I'm gonna string compare that, and then if that matches, then I'm gonna. Well, how do you appmgr like exit? Appmgr exit process. Exit process. Yeah. So if that's the case, I'm going to immediately quit the running process. That way, it will never actually finish running the promote, so we can see the exact files being sent to the promote. So no, return that, and then we're just gonna immediately exit. That's the case. Alright, brilliant. Oh yeah, I copied the wrong files. I'm gonna find reference to kind of exit process. Okay, let's try that now. Basically, it recursive deletes the file folder if it's like fails. So I figured I'd just force quit the program. So we have to we can keep the files basically. Okay, let's reboot. Okay. Make a connection again. Thank you. Okay, so now in theory, if I install a package installer should close basically as soon as it gets, as soon as it gets to that point. And the program froze, it didn't exit. But yeah, the program didn't close, it's just package installer was just frozen now. Well, that's something. I can just take my SD card out, turn off the console. The program is completely frozen. It's like so confused with what's happening. Okay, so in theory, I should still have the folder there then, right? 'Cause it never exited. Temp, promote, PKG, contents. Everything's here. Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't actually have a worked-up bin. Actually, that makes sense, because... That makes sense, because we were installing for package installer. Let me rename this to promote M. Let me do the BGDL thing again. Okay, let me reboot again. But this time I'm using, BGDL to do it. Okay. But it also tries to copy to UXO10 PK promote PKG. That's definitely the right place. Let me force power off again because in order to get the files, I have to force power off because Shell gets really confused and just yawks up on the installing screen. So but it does look like temp promote PKG is the right pace. Like they both move it though. So you're so temp promote PKG contents application. Yeah, it's all here. This is something that is worked up in. So like this is doing Like, this is doing everything the other thing is. All I can think is that... all I can think is that it is, like, work.bin, or it is, like, temp.tail.bin, or head.bin somehow. That's an easy check, though. I can simply, when this happens, like... First off, let's run this, but then... I can simply just, when this happens, call kscio remove, uxo temp promote pkg slash sysys package, you know, stat.bin, like, I can simply just remove these files once it gets here, and see if that's literally it. KSC kernel printf deleting files, because mine doesn't extract these, and that's, like, all I can think. Oh, okay. Run Sony package install. Don't run directly. In fact, run specifying a package. Alright, so I'm running some package install. It's gonna work anyway. So those apps installed, so it's not gonna be able to get the license. Well, okay, just having, what is this? Is this the same one? It actually is the same one. But that didn't even have a whiff that time. Let me try it from, EGDL again. Where is it again? There it is. Okay. Copy to BGDLT, paste. Because if this is the issue, then I need stat.bin and body.bin. Okay, so it should delete those two files once it reaches though. It didn't. Okay, I'm just gonna install them for PKGJ so I don't have to bother rebooting my console again. Because I did that wrong, apparently. So where's PKJ? I'm just gonna install a small PSM game from PKGJ and see what happens. This is the smallest PSM game we have a license for, so. Okay, that still installs. That still installs, but that still installs. But if I install through package installer now without the license though. Like, by the way, I keep getting really annoyed by certain bit of text I keep seeing in here. So I don't know why I'm seeing it. It's in here somewhere. I think it needs to just be straight up batch like that. Um yeah, okay, so it doesn't work from package installer with tail.bin and without tail.bin body.bin. But it does work from BGDL. That's interesting. Which means I need to know how to make tail.bin and head.bin. Only need to know how to install packages like BGDL does. Which doesn't even use Komodo util from what I can tell. Let's go up. Komodo util isn't even yielded. Komodo util is yielded. But somehow when they do it, they don't need those files, but I do. And the issue is no one knows how those files are created, so yeah, but that is the issue, is that I am. The issue is that, I honestly don't think it needs to be PSM, I think I can get away with just PSM. I think it just needs to be in UXO temp. Not sure, we'll see. Because it's like a bit easier to deal with if that's the case. I don't have to worry about this. I don't want to worry about. Okay, so without stat.bin and tail.bin and all that, then we do get this error. Right? Yeah, that's the same one. So the issue we have is effectively that we're doing it this way. Like someone understands. Like that is effectively our issue. Is that we are calling this. It's possible this could work asynchronously. I guess it's worth a shot. And then you have to call like other Komodo util stuff. Komodo util. Okay, so I need to use right, so I can use get state. I don't know how I get like how do I even get a state object? So I could just have state somehow? No. I don't know how this works. But we need stat bin and body bin. Which is hard because no one knows how they work. So I guess next stream maybe will be us trying to figure out how that works. Yeah. Anyway. See ya all, I guess. Tomorrow we'll tackle the world of stat.bin and body.bin, because apparently we need that. So yeah.